Okay, we're gonna film this little alley, and it's called Beco. That's Caixas. I'll just kind of show you some context of where it is exactly. So you kind of have this beautiful lighting. Wow, look at that, that's amazing. So yeah, but we're gonna be following the alley behind me. But wow, that lighting is incredible. Okay, so over there, that yellow building is Central Square, and I'll give you more details in a minute. But we're gonna be going down this one, so stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is going to be our alley that we're going to go down in a minute. We did another one with this bright blue building, and the lighting is just spectacular right now, so I'm just trying to capture some of that. It's yeah, it's just incredible. Yeah. It's almost a shame to be going down an alley, but this alley is pretty cool too. So and the lighting is going to be just as good in this alley as it is in the other places as well. So let's just kind of see what's all down here. The alleys are kind of worth exploring. This one has it's like it goes upstairs to an apartments. Vegetables, so you can get fresh vegetables in this one. This one you can get stuff like pork chop buns, toys. Even the alleys are filled with stuff as well. So this one, it's like kind of medicinal stuff, herbal. Another vegetable one, so it's two. Another restaurant, Happiness House. And then we got this temple right here. Don't make fire, so let's check this out. It's beautiful. Oh, that's a little tiny one too. Oh, that's really beautiful. So yeah, that's in this alley, so let's just kind of capture the beauty of that. So that looks amazing. Okay, and so that's a nice little space. Let's see what else is down here. So we got another vegetable shop right here. This is an Indonesian food. And this is a fruits. So a lot of places buy fruits and vegetables. It's closed, whatever that is. This one you can buy incense and things like that and bring them down to that temple down there as well. I don't know what that is. It's amazing. Ah, it's cool. Okay. So let's keep on checking stuff out. Somebody's apartment, I think. Okay. Look at those. You can see the apartments up there a little bit. So get a little dark in this space right here. But yeah, pretty cool little street. These alleys, you just don't know what's all in them. Medicinal shop. So if you have a cough or anything like that, you can get some medicine there. What's this one? Somebody's bottle of wine that they drank. So let's capture this right here. So we have this beautiful building, and this turns into a different street, which I'm not going to film at the moment. But I do want to go back, and we'll just end it with this beautiful alley. Beco das Caixas. So that's the alley that we just filmed. So I hope you enjoyed this one as well. Chiquinha, chiquinha.